Hey there, I'm Valerie, and today I'll show you how to set up and use the SPRNG Entryphone. Step 1. Install SPRNG Entryphone from the Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and grant the permissions. Step 3. Sign in with your credentials. Now let's look at some features. SPRNG Entryphone supports features such as calling, access for postal workers, generate and access the community with OTPs, make outgoing calls to taxi services, getting information on your community such as Wi-Fi name and password and property manager info, and access settings such as allowed services. Thanks for watching and have a good day.